What is Hajj? What does the word Hajj mean? Al-qasd, your aim. Think of this. Everything you do in this deen has a meaning. There is external things we do, but there is the inner meaning. Why are you going? There's at least 3 to 4 million. Allah knows how many people will be there, right? Average, let's say 3 million. The 3 million went because Allah told them to go for Hajj. What is the difference between me and them? Or what is the difference between all these people doing tawaf? Are they all the same? Like when you are praying in Taraweeh here in Ramadan, is everybody the same? Everybody is doing the same, but are they the same? So the qasd, that's why it is. The qasd is your aim. Why are you going? And the best answer, I learned it long time ago, is what Sayyidina Musa said to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when Allah asked him, why did you leave your people behind you? Why didn't you just wait till your people come with you? وَمَا أَعْجَلَكَ عَنْ قَوْمِكَ يَا مُوسَى. Why did you rush? The answer was, عَجِلْتُ إِلَيْكَ رَبِّي لِتَرْضَى. I rush to you so you are pleased with me. That should be the title of Hajj. Is what is the point? If I went and I did everything, which I'm going to go very quickly, the main things, if you do, you did Hajj. But you're going to come back no change because you didn't feel it and you didn't know what it means. عَجِلْتُ إِلَيْكَ رَبِّي لِتَرْضَى. I came to you, Allah, to be pleased with me. And I came to you rushing, running. I didn't come just because, okay, alhamdulillah. No, I'm so excited I'm going. And I'm so worried. There's 2 things you have to go to Hajj with. I'm so excited I'm going, and I'm so worried. It is not going to be tarda. If everyone going to go and come back and Allah is pleased with them, Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam would not have said something which is not easy. Al-Hajj al-Mabrur laysa lahu jaza illa al-Jannah. What is Hajj al-Mabrur? The Hajj that is done with excellence and bir. There is no reward equal to it but Jannah. Even fasting, Allah didn't say that. All Ramadan, He didn't say that. Right? You remember? We just finished. What was all Ramadan about? Man sama Ramadan imana wa ihtisaban, whomsoever fasted Ramadan, full of faith, looking for the reward of Allah. What was the result? He didn't say Jannah. What did He say? All the sins before has been forgiven. Right? But specifically Jannah is Al-Hajjul Mabrur.